There it is. Hood's on, lights in. Test fit the grill, make sure we get that back on. Thanks to Shane, Kyle from Boosted Boiz that came over, helped finish getting the car buttoned up. We had that turbo problem, we got a new turbo. It is spinning. We fixed the idle and the throttle body. Kyle realized it wasn't shutting all the way, and so we were having a higher idle. So we modified that, fixed that. So we got things taken care of. So onto the dyno. Here we go.
Take the bumper out.
Alright guys, it's the first official rolling movement. Jamie's in the car, data logging stuff. You guys ready for this?
Oh, yeah.
We're ready. We think we're ready. He's ready for it. Maybe not. No! The window doesn't work. Well?
And I just had to recalibrate the TPS.
Yeah.
Because it was like...
Well, it's opposite
zero
now.
is 50%?
Yeah, it's opposite.
You gotta calibrate that. We changed it.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, it's all good, bro.
Because we had to take the throttle body apart to flip it so we can make it work. Strapping down, getting the all-wheel drive taken off. Jamie up here crushing the Kool-Aids. Yeah, yeah, we're not messing around. Shane, how's it going today?
So the plugs that are in it? Plugs are our plugs, gaps, says 17.
So it made 8.7 pounds, and then started falling to 7.5, 7.0.
What did Tom say?
He's like, it's not gonna make 300.
Oh, so it's your fault, Tom.
Tom.
Tom,
I had faith.
it's your fault, Tom. How do you feel now? Do you feel like a jerk?
You like a nut?
No faith
Well, I
in
guess
pump
Tyler,
gas.
you gotta stay another 3 days.
I wish that was the possibility, but it's not,
You
unfortunately.
got, well, then
My
you
wife
gotta-
and kids will kill me on top of my store will kill me. So
There's 3.
3.
3.
Let's see it.
It's dead.
Dead.
Yeah.
Hey, it's all right. I learned everything in 3 days here, so I'm good to go, right?
You're a professional now.
Yeah.
We're gonna send you into the world on your own.
Hey, my garage will be poured. It should have been poured yesterday, so I will literally have a garage finally at my house. So that's good.
There you go.
So now I have somewhere to work on it. All right, guys. There's all the dyno poles. We were riffing it for 3.
We're
You'll see
risking
it.
it for the biscuit.
I'll show you the clip now of what happened. Okay, so yep, explosion, cracked.
Mount St. Helens.
Cracked sleeve, cylinder 3. So luckily I have another block and head. I can swap everything over and we'll go from there. That's the name of the game.
He's wide open. That's just how it goes.
we were
When you're wide open, you just never know.
this is just how it works out. So we built it, boosted it, tuned it, and we've had a good time here with Pfi Speed and the boys. So shout out to Shane.
Yeah, Shane killed it. You
Shane,
guys all killed
dude.
it. Sorry, I killed it.
Brent.
You guys killed it, so I killed it. You killed it.
You killed it. We all killed it. We all killed it. We all tried. But everyone here is awesome.
The rise of Chuck.
I'm so glad I had the experience to come out here and to do this.
Oh, it was
So,
fun hanging out too, brother.
Yeah, it was
I know
awesome.
I keep interrupting you while you're trying to
No,
close
you're
this
so
out.
good.
We're
We're,
just gonna keep talking.
we'll keep talking, and one day it will close. All right, guys. Until next time.
See you later.